Hey community! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super cool, something called the Code Interpreter in Copilot Studio. Don't worry if that sounds tricky, it's actually pretty simple, and I'm going to break it down for you step by step. Let's get started. First off, what is Copilot Studio? It's a tool from Microsoft that helps you create smart assistants, kind of like a helpful robot friend. And the Code Interpreter is like a special superpower for that robot. It lets your assistant read files, like Excel spreadsheets, and answer questions about the data inside them. Pretty neat, right? Imagine you have a list of employees and how many leave days they've taken, saved in an Excel file. With the Code Interpreter, you can upload that file to Copilot Studio and ask things like, who took the most leave days? Or what's the average leave for the team? The assistant uses a little bit of magic, well, actually, Python code, to figure it out for you. Here's how it works in simple terms. You upload your Excel file. You type a question, like show me the top 5 employees with the most leave days. The Code Interpreter crunches the numbers and gives you a nice answer. Maybe a list or even a chart. It's like having a super smart helper who does the math for you. Let me show you a quick example. I made a file. I uploaded it to my Copilot Studio agent, which I called Code Interpreter Agent. Then I asked, list the top 5 employees by leave days. And now, it gave me. I've already created the agent and just added a description, then switched to the Configure tab to tweak things. Name it. Add description and instructions, then scrolled to Capabilities, found the Code Interpreter option, and turned it on to let it use Python for data analysis. After that, I published it. Now, we'll test it out. So, that's the Code Interpreter in Copilot Studio. It's a game changer for working with data without the headache. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech tips. Drop a comment. Let me know what data you'd like to try with this. See you in the next one. Bye.